and that brings our outfit total to 40 outfits, which is insane. Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm inviting you to pack with me as I prepare to go to French Polynesia. And I will be going to the islands of Tahiti, Moorea, and Bora Bora, which is a total dream trip. I was starting to make a packing video, and then I realized, oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a long video. I should really show you guys the capsule wardrobe and all of the outfits separately from the actual packing. So in this video, I am going to show you the capsule wardrobe, including all of the tops, all of the bottoms, all of the dresses, the jewelry, the sunglasses, the hats, the shoes, the bathing suits, the undergarments, the cover-ups, everything. And I'm going to show you the 40 outfits that I have created from only 16 items in my packing cube. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I take all of that and my other stuff and pack it into a carry-on. And I'm going to be packing my personal item as well, because let's face it, all of the clothes and the accessories that you pack are very, very important, but it's not everything in a suitcase. I watch packing videos all the time, and I just cringe when I see a cute little reel of somebody packing in a suitcase and all they pack is clothes. They don't pack anything else. And I'm like, where's the rest of your stuff? If you're not subscribed, please press that subscribe button down below. I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. I've been to all 7 continents. I'm on my way to my 88th country, and I've done it all in a carry-on bag. For even more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our Instagram, because I do daily stories and videos and little Instagram carousels to give you guys even more tips and tricks. All right, you guys, so this was one trip that I was really, really tempted to overpack because it's Bora Bora. Like, it's the dream, right? I wanted to pack all these bathing suits and all these dresses and everything. Then I had to have a little packing intervention with myself. I still personally packed a little bit too much in my opinion, but as long as it all fits in one medium-sized packing cube and one small packing cube for your undergarments, then you're okay. Now, before I show you all of the clothes and everything like that, I do want to say that I am also plus size. You know, I wear a size 18 or 20, and I wear a size extra large top. So if I can do this in a medium sized packing cube, so can all of you guys, whether you're plus size or whether you're petite. So no excuses. All right, so the capsule wardrobe. Now, I usually pack about 10 or 11 items in my capsule wardrobe, but on this trip I'm packing a couple of dresses as well, so I'm actually bringing 16 items. However, one top and one bottom are going to be my plain outfit, so those aren't going to be packed. A capsule wardrobe is where everything matches everything. So you can take this many tops and this many bottoms and mix and match them to make a ton of different outfits. And then I don't stop there. I like to make my shoes, my purse, my jewelry, my sunglasses, everything to match it as well. We are going to go ahead and start with the clothes, and I'm going to go through my entire process. Then we are going to move on to bathing suits, cover-ups, and undergarments, and then we will get into accessories. Let's go. These are all of the clothes. You know that I always start with bottoms, and on this trip we are going to bring 3. We have 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of denim shorts, and then I have 1 long maxi skirt. So what I do is I lay out all 3 bottoms like so. However, we may have those 3 that we're packing, but I have a pair of wide leg black pants that I'm going to be wearing on the airplane. So we're not going to necessarily include those in the packing cube because I'll be wearing them, but we are going to include them in this demonstration. So what I'm going to do, because I have prints, is pack all of my shirts as solids. So this is my plain shirt here. The plain shirt also matches all of these. Shirt number 1. Yellow shirt, it matches all of them. Black shirt matches all of them. Teal shirt, blue shirt, pink shirt, white shirt, and finally a red shirt that matches all of them. And then I'm actually gonna step in and break a little rule real quick, and I'm going to pack this little top that matches this, because it does match 3 out of the 4 bottoms, and it packs very, very small. So then really packing this is going to make 3 more outfits, which brings our total from 32 outfits to 35 outfits. But I'm also packing 5 dresses, and that brings our outfit total to 40 outfits, which is insane. Roll the fashion tape. Now it's time to actually put them into our packing cube, and we've talked a lot on this channel about rolling versus folding, and everybody has their different way of doing it. And to be honest, as long as you're using a packing cube, you can do whatever you want. You can do origami with your clothes, okay? Just get them in one medium-sized packing cube and you get an A+ in my book. So I've talked about this packing cube before from Tripped, and I did try to pack this in a bunch of other packing cubes and it just didn't fit at all. But all of this will fit in here. And the whole reason that I like this is that there's 2 compartments. You have the top compartment here, and then you have the bottom compartment here that fits a lot. And it's still compression, but it's not so compression that it's hard as a rock and your stuff can't breathe. So we're gonna start by filling up the bottom, and that's where we're gonna put all of our bottoms. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the shorts right here in front as well. And the goal for a cube, honestly, you guys, is to fill all 4 corners. You don't really want the bag to be too wonky. We folded the denim shorts this time, and I'm just going to gently lay them on top. And then we're going to fill up the top. All of these shirts laid flat, and this is why I decided to fold them versus roll them. Some of them fold up a lot smaller than others. So we have all the fatter ones kind of here, and then we have these ones here. Zip it up, and there you have it. But now we are going to go ahead and take the zipper and compress it down just to make it a little bit less deep, therefore taking up less room in the suitcase. If you want to get access to my packing list, please go to itsthekellys.com, sign up for our email newsletters that go out weekly, and you can download 3 different packing lists. One is for tropical like this trip, one is for more of a winter destination, and one is completely blank for you to fill out yourself. I use these packing lists for every single trip I go on, and now you have the chance to become a little bit more organized and pack a little bit better too. All right, so now we're gonna move on to bathing suits, cover-ups, bras, and underwear. And it's gonna be packed in this little packing cube from Away. Okay, so first let's start with bathing suit tops. I am packing 4. I have red, white, pink, and black. And then of course, all 4 tops are going to match all 4 bottoms, just like the clothes. I do like to put a little rubber band around them because then they just actually stay rolled. Now when it comes to bottoms, I am bringing 3. I have 1 pair of black that's a little bit more strappy, 1 pair of black that's a little bit more full coverage, and then I have 1 pair that is patterned. So as you can see, I have 4 tops and 3 bottoms, which is going to make 12 different beach outfits. Every single top that I packed does have room for the removable cups, and these will just fold up super slim and easy. Now I am packing 2 very colorful sarongs that can go with every single outfit. I also have this little dress cover up. Roll the fashion tape. And then these are my undergarments. I have 1 merino wool bra from Brandwin, and you can rewear it even through sweat and hikes and whatever you end up doing. My Thigh Society cooling shorts. This is going to be my little baggie of underwear. I am packing 7, so I can definitely wash them all in the sink. I don't care if you overpack underwear as long as it fits in a packing cube. But mine fit in a sandwich size baggie, and I'm plus size. And I can still roll them up this small even if they were full coverage ones. So let's go ahead and put them in the packing cube. Take our sarongs and put them flat on the bottom, and then we're gonna take the other cover up and do that. There you have it, our packing cube full of bathing suits, underwear, and bras, and cover-ups. Now, the capsule wardrobe isn't necessarily done just because we did tops and bottoms, okay? Because we do have to think about accessories. Even if you do all the tops and bottoms to make 40 outfits, that's incredible, and I'm so proud of you. But now we have to worry about accessories, because I know a lot of you guys overpack accessories, and it's not just clothes that take up the suitcase, it's everything else. We have a hat that I'm going to wear on the plane, and another cute little hat that I'm going to pack flat in the suitcase. These are the sandals I'm going to wear on the plane, and then I am packing a second pair, and they have a little metallic gold, so therefore they could be just a little bit more dressy. Then I have this little case here, and I have 2 pairs of sunglasses, a black pair, and this little pair. Then I am packing this little crossbody bag. Last but not least, you do have to consider your jewelry. And I packed it in this little slim kind of fabric envelope here. So I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of earrings and 1 fun chunky little necklace. All right guys, so now that I have shown you all of my outfits, we packed 40 outfits total, and all the accessories and all the bathing suits, cover-ups, and undergarments. Now we are going to go ahead and pack it in my carry-on, and that is going to be an entirely different video, and it's going to be the next video. Please make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can see all of our videos and get all of our updates and learn how to travel often and pack well like I do. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.